Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at an airport check-in counter. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two airline check-in staff and their passengers. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What is the number one reason for flight delays? Weather or plane problems? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Good morning, Sofia. You are early today.
Good morning, Liam. I came in 30 minutes early. I wanted to read the flight list.
That is a good habit. We open the counter in 1 hour, but our work starts now.
I know. People think we come in just before the flight, but we start 3 or 4 hours before.
Right. The plane needs time. We need time. Everything needs time.
So, what flights do we have today?
We have 3 flights. The first one goes to Los Angeles at 9. The second one goes to Tokyo at noon. The last one goes to London at 3.
A long day. How many passengers in total?
About 600 people. The Tokyo flight is almost full.
Wow. Any special notes?
Yes, we have one wheelchair passenger on the Tokyo flight. Her name is Mrs. Tanaka. She needs help from the counter to the gate.
I will take care of her. I helped a wheelchair passenger last week, so I know the steps.
Good. We also have a VIP on the London flight. He flies with us every month.
I see. So who takes which counter?
I will take counter 1 and 2. You take counter 3. If we get busy, we open counter 4 together.
That works for me. Oh, one more thing. What about the bag weight today?
Good question. The team that checks plane weights sent the numbers. The Tokyo flight has many bags. We may need to be careful with weight.
Got it. I will check every bag carefully.
One more thing. That team also tells us how to keep the plane safe and even. Bags in the front, bags in the back. It is not just about weight, it's about where the weight is.
Right, I learned that in training. A plane is like a long, thin building in the sky. Balance matters a lot.
Good way to say it. Okay, let's open the counter in 5 minutes. Ready?
Ready. Let's have a good day.
Good morning. Welcome to our counter. Where are you flying today?
Good morning. We are flying to Hawaii. 3 people. Me and my 2 kids.
Wonderful. May I see your passports, please?
Here you are. Mine and the 2 kids.
Thank you. Let me check the names. Emma Brown, Lily Brown, and Noah Brown. All correct?
Yes, all correct.
Great. Did you check in online?
No, I tried, but the system said I should come to the counter because we are traveling with kids.
That is normal. When kids are under 12, the system often asks for a counter check. It is for safety.
I see. Can we sit together? My kids are 6 and 4.
Of course. I can find family seats for you. We always try to keep parents and small children together. It is a basic rule for us.
Oh, that is good to hear. I was a little worried.
Please do not worry. I have 3 seats in row 24, 2 by the window and 1 in the middle. Is that okay?
Perfect. The kids love the window.
I thought so. Now your bags. How many are you checking in?
2 big bags. The kids only have small bags for the cabin.
Please put the first bag on the scale.
Here you go.
21 kilograms. Good, under the limit. And the second one?
This one.
20 kilograms. Also fine. Here are your tags.
Thank you so much. You made it easy.
My pleasure. One small tip. When you fly with kids, the online check-in often works, but the counter is sometimes easier. We can also give you a paper boarding pass, which kids like to hold.
Oh, yes. My daughter loves to hold her own ticket. She feels like a big girl.
That is sweet. Here are 3 paper boarding passes, one for each of you. The gate is number 12. Boarding starts at 8:30. Have a wonderful trip to Hawaii.
Thank you. Come on, kids, let's go. Hello, sir. Welcome. Where are you flying today?
Hi, I am flying to Tokyo, one person. Here is my passport.
Thank you, Mr. Chen. Let me check your booking. Yes, the noon flight to Tokyo. Window seat or aisle seat? The aisle is the side near the walkway.
The aisle, please. I am tall, so I need more space for my legs.
Of course. I have a good aisle seat for you. Now, how many bags are you checking in?
Just one. This big suitcase.
Please put it on the scale.
Okay.
It says 28 kilograms. I'm sorry, sir, but the limit on this flight is 23 kilograms.
Oh no, really? I thought it was 30.
I understand. Each airline has its own rule. Some allow 30, some 23, some only 20. It depends on the plane and the route.
I did not know that. So what should I do?
You have 2 choices. Choice 1, you pay extra money for the 5 extra kilograms. Choice 2, you move some things to your cabin bag. Do you have a cabin bag with you?
Yes, I have a small one here. How much can I carry into the cabin?
Up to 7 kilograms, and the size should fit in the cabin box. Most airlines around the world use a similar size, but please check with your airline next time, too.
Got it. Let me open my suitcase and move my books and laptop. They are heavy.
Good idea. Take your time. I can wait.
Okay, I moved about 6 kilograms. Can you check again?
Let me see. 22 kilograms. Perfect. Under the limit now.
Great. Thank you for being patient.
My pleasure. One more tip for next time. If you check your bag the night before online, the system shows your weight limit clearly. You can plan your packing better that way.
That is good to know. I will try that next time.
Your gate is number 8, and boarding starts at 11:30. Have a nice flight to Tokyo.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Good morning. Welcome. Oh, what a cute baby. How old?
Thank you. He is 5 months old. His name is Leo.
Hello, Leo. So sweet. Where are you flying today?
We are flying to London this afternoon. It is our first long flight with him.
That is a big day. May I see your passports, please?
Here you go. Mine and the baby's.
Thank you. Now, I see in your booking that you asked for a bassinet seat. That is a seat with a small baby bed. Is that right?
Yes. Is that possible? I was a bit worried.
Good news. We have one bassinet seat for you. You asked early, so we could keep it. A bassinet is a small baby bed. We fix it to the wall in front of you.
Oh, that is so helpful. Why do I need to ask early?
There are only a few bassinet seats on each plane, usually 2 or 3. Many parents want them, so they go fast. That is why early booking is best.
I see. I am glad I called the airline last month.
That was a smart move. Now, do you have a stroller with you?
Yes, this one. Can I check it in here?
You have 2 choices. You can check it here, or you can take it all the way to the gate. Many parents take it to the gate because babies often sleep in the stroller.
Oh, I will take it to the gate then. Thank you for telling me.
My pleasure. At the gate, the staff will take the stroller and put it under the plane. You will get it back when you land.
Good to know. Anything else?
Yes, Families with small babies can board first, so you have time to sit down and get ready calmly.
That is wonderful. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. One more small thing. If you need warm water for milk during the flight, just ask the cabin staff. They are always happy to help families with babies.
Oh, I did not know I could ask. Thank you. That helps a lot.
Your gate is 15. Boarding starts at 2:45. Have a safe trip with Leo.
Did you see the message? The Tokyo flight is delayed.
Yes, I just got the call from the gate. 2 hours late.
2 hours? That is a lot. What is the reason?
The plane is coming from a different city, and the weather there is bad. Heavy rain and wind.
Oh, that is hard to fix. Delays from weather are the most common, right?
Yes, weather is number one, then plane problems, and then the crew work schedule. The crew can only work for some hours by law.
Right, I remember. So, what do we do now?
First, we need to tell the passengers. Many of them are already at the gate or on the way. Let's prepare a message.
Okay, should we offer food vouchers?
Yes. Our airline's rule is if a delay is more than 2 hours, we give meal tickets. Each passenger gets a ticket for $15.
That makes sense. Should we also offer other flights?
Good thinking. Some people may have a meeting tonight in Tokyo. If they need to be there on time, we can move them to another airline's flight at no extra cost.
At no extra cost? That is very kind.
It is the rule. When we delay you, we should not also ask for more money. That is the basic idea. When there is a problem, we help the passengers.
I see. Okay, let me write the message. How about this?
Sure. Please read it to me.
Dear passengers, we are sorry. The noon flight to Tokyo is delayed by 2 hours. The new leaving time is 2 o'clock.
Good. Keep going.
Please come to the counter for a meal ticket or to change your flight. Thank you for waiting.
That is clear and kind. Read it slowly. Many passengers do not speak English as a first language.
Good point. I will speak slowly.
I will call the food court and tell them to expect more guests. Let's be ready in 5 minutes.
Got it. One question. What if a passenger gets angry? Some people may shout when they hear about the delay.
Good question. Stay calm. Listen to them first. Do not stop them. Let them finish first. Then say you are sorry and offer a clear way to help. Most people just want to feel heard.
Listen first, then offer a way to help. I will remember that.
You will do fine. Here we go.
Yes, let's take care of them.
Sofia, that is it. The last flight is in the air. Good job today.
Thank you, Liam. What a day. My feet are tired.
Mine too. Let's sit down for a minute before we go home.
Good idea. How many people did we help today, do you think?
Let me see. 3 flights, about 600 passengers, plus questions from other travelers, maybe 700 people in total.
700. That is like a small town in one day.
That is true. We meet more people in one shift than some people meet in a month.
The delay was hard, though. I was a little scared when I read the message.
You did great. Your voice was calm and people listened.
Thank you. The best part of the day was the family going to Hawaii. The little girl waved at me from the line.
I remember that. Her smile made my morning.
That is why I chose this job. I like to help people start a trip. They are often excited, sometimes worried, and we are the first staff they meet.
That is a beautiful reason. I started for a different reason. I liked planes when I was a kid. I wanted to work near them every day.
I did not know that. That is cute.
Yeah, I keep that part quiet. Okay, let's check the counter one more time and go.
Sure. Same shift tomorrow?
Yes, same time. But tomorrow is a quieter day, only 2 flights.
That sounds nice. By the way, did you eat lunch today? I saw you talking to the Tokyo passengers during the break.
No, I forgot again. A bag of nuts and a coffee, that was my lunch.
Liam, you have to eat. We need energy to smile all day.
You are right. Tomorrow, I'll sit down for 10 minutes.
Promise?
Promise. Let's get some rest. Good night, Sophia.
Good night, Liam. See you tomorrow.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What is the #1 reason for flight delays? Weather or plane problems? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.